In this video, I'll show you how to remove background noise in CapCut. First, open the CapCut app on your phone or computer. From the main screen, tap New Project. Then choose the video you want to clean up. After selecting it, tap Add to import the video into the editing timeline. Once your video is loaded, tap the video clip on the timeline to select it. If the audio is attached to the video, CapCut will let you edit the sound directly from the clip. Now look through the bottom toolbar and find the audio or volume settings. In many versions of CapCut, you may also see an option called Reduce Noise, Noise Reduction, or Enhance Voice. Tap that option to turn it on. CapCut will then process the audio and try to reduce unwanted background sounds, such as wind, traffic, fan noise, room echo, or low humming. This can make the voice in your video sound clearer and easier to understand. After applying noise reduction, play the video and listen carefully. If the voice sounds better, you can keep the setting. But if the audio sounds too robotic or muffled, reduce the effect if CapCut gives you a strength slider, or turn it off and try a lighter adjustment. You can also improve the audio manually. Tap volume and lower the clip volume slightly if the sound is too harsh. If your video has background music, lower the music volume so it does not cover the speaking voice. Another helpful option is to separate the audio from the video. Tap the clip and choose Extract Audio or Detach Audio, depending on your version of CapCut. Then select the audio track and apply noise reduction or voice enhancement from there. For the best result, use clear original audio whenever possible. CapCut can reduce noise, but it may not completely remove very loud background sounds. When you are happy with the audio, preview the full video from the beginning. Make sure the voice is clear and the sound feels natural. Finally, tap Export in the top right corner, choose your preferred video quality, and save the finished video to your device. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.